We enjoy our very neutral, very bright house, but sometimes it's hard to come up with creative solutions, especially in a kitchen or bathroom. How cute are these wired copper fairy lights? I have them on a slight twinkle mode and I've wrapped them in a glass jar. I've added Epsom salts and then just put some white berries and branches and sparkle, little cotton ball like touch for snow, and added a little bit of a bow on the top. I love that these are a cool touch. They are waterproof, heat resistant. They have a bunch of different lighting setting modes if you like more of a sparkle or steady on, but up close, they're just really cute. I love the little branch detailing and how it looks like a branch is wrapped in there because it's the copper. It gives it that neutral feel with a little subtle touch of pop. I'll show you some of the different, I have a plug tucked back here, and you can rotate between all sorts of different chasing and pulsing, steady on, blinking options, a little bit slower, a little bit faster. So you have a lot of flexibility to add as much pizzazz or pop as you want. And I even think it looks super cute when they're off. They just kind of resemble a branch or a twig. So whether you want to light them or have them on or off, I feel like they're a beautiful option. Great for not only just the Christmas season, but any winter holiday and all season long. Super happy, and I hope that helps.